this video, we're going to learn to use the Patchwork package. This package allows us to assemble multiple ggplots into a single figure. We will start by loading our tidyverse or ggplot2 packages, as well as the Patchwork package. For this video, I've created plots using the built-in msleep package. To use Patchwork package, we're first going to assign plots to an object. In this case, I've created 4 plots from the msleep dataset. The first 2 plots explore the relationship between brain weight and total sleep versus REM sleep. The third plots examine the relationship between order and REM sleep. And finally, my last plot displays the relationship between body weight and sleep based on diet. I'm going to use Patchwork to display all of these plots on the same panel. To begin, I'm going to assign each plot to an object, in this case, P1 through P4. Next, let's combine the first 2 plots. Let's start with P1 plus P2. Our output looks like a typical ggplot2 output, but now with 2 plots side by side. Our code, P1 plus P2, indicates the position that we want the plots, with P1 on the left and P2 on the right. If I would like to swap the positions of these plots, I would reverse the equation, writing P2 plus P1 instead. To plot these vertically, with one graph on top of the other, we would simply change the operator. Here, we will change the plus sign to a slash. We can use these operators in combination as well. Let's add in my third plot. Using the same P1 over P2 code, let's add plus P3 to our code. You can see that Patchwork added plot 3 under the other 2 plots. In this case, I think it would look better to the left of plots 1 and 2. We can tell Patchwork to do this by changing the plus sign to a vertical bar, like this. Alternatively, since plot 3 looks better as a wide plot, we can change the output to be plots 1 and 2 next to each other, with plot 3 across the bottom by using our parentheses to indicate we want plots 1 and 2 next to each other. Then we add a slash and plot 3 like so. Finally, I want to add in my final plot. I envision plot 1 and 2 in the top left corner, plot 3 next to them, and finally plot 4 across the bottom. To do this, I'm going to start with my parentheses. Plots 1 through 3 will go in the parentheses. I want plot 1 above plot 2, so I indicate this with a slash. I then use the vertical bar to indicate I want plot 3 to the right of plots 1 and 2. Finally, outside of my parentheses, I'll add a slash and plot 4. And here's what our final output looks like. Now you have the tools to create comprehensive figures using multiple ggplots using Patchwork. Happy plotting!